Herbert Peabody and the colourful fruit salad. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. Herbie has made his way to the fresh fruit market. Look at the colours we see today. One yellow banana, 2 red apples for me and you, 3 orange segments, 4 pieces of orange rock melon too, 5 blueberries. Here's a bowl for fruit salad. Yay! We chop up our banana and slice our apple this way. Our banana and apple go into the bowl and the orange segments now. Time for the rock melon and top with blueberries. Wow! Look at all these colours. And there's something else to share. A yummy feast for someone, for Worm who's over there. Our colourful fruit salad is ready for everyone. And we want to say, we can't wait to see you on our next adventure day.